Okay, side. 1, 2, 3, go side. Big. Go, faster, faster. Take one, take one, take one. Okay? Right foot forward. Here. If you're going to go here, right foot forward. Okay? Right foot forward. This one. Okay, Renzo, look at me. Right foot forward. Follow me. Get one. That's it. And then pivot here. That's it. Okay? Center. Go. Center here. Center. Center. And side. Go side. Here. Okay, now we will now divide the group into two. Since there are newcomers, we will not let the newcomers do the what level 2 drill. So we have Lawrence are here. We will be on the newcomers. Simple drill only. We have Nathan. We have Aston. We have Natalia also. Because you are a newcomer. Roman also. Timothy, you will be there. So I will have the skills. Okay? Here, Timothy. Forward. All you have to do, forward. Just follow what I'm doing, okay? So all you have to do, okay, stay here in the center, just leave your marker. Okay? You are not allowed to move forward to the marker. Center, side. Pick one. Then, here, side. Okay, center, side. That's it. Pick one. Okay, side. 1, 2, 3, go side. Big. Go, faster. Take one. Okay? Right foot forward. Here. If you're going to go here, right foot forward. Okay? Right foot forward. This one. Okay, Renzo, look at me. Right foot forward. Follow me. Get one. That's it. And then pivot here. That's it. Okay? Center. Go. Center here. Center. And side. Go side. Here. Center. Okay, ready? Aston, here. Wider. Okay, ready? Down. Ready? Side. Right foot forward. Pick one. Center. Okay. No. Here. Okay, here. Okay. Side. Right foot forward. Center. Side. That's it. Center. Okay, diagonal, right. Oh, here, go on. Okay, go. Ready, side. Get the diagonal. Right foot forward. Here. Okay, go center. Okay. Center. That's it. Okay, side. Okay. That's it. Okay. Good job. Side. Here, side.
Alternate. Yep.
Next side. Right foot forward. Right forward. Okay. 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 That's it.
Then we go there.
Center. Side. Center. Center. Go to center. Okay. Alexa, come here. Okay, una. Right foot forward. Go here.
Three now.
Again. Side. Right foot forward. Grab. Here we go. Keep on. That's it. Here. Come up. Okay, here. Pick one. Oh, pick one. That's it. Center. Okay. Okay. Right foot forward. Good job. Keep on to the right. Good job. Center. Okay, side. Pick one. Center. Okay. And then right foot forward. Oh, right foot forward. That's it. Center. And one. Center. And then right foot forward. Good job. Okay, center. Then right. Pick one. Okay, center. There. Another side. Right foot forward. Good job. Pivot. Center. Pick one. Okay. Good job. Last one. Go back to the center. That's it. Okay, next. Good job. Next, Aston. Robo, right foot forward. Right foot forward. That's it. Pick one. Oh, right foot forward. Okay, pick one. Center. And back, and then again once you smash, make sure that the timing is the same with your feet. Okay, once you hit the shot the same time you switch. Okay, switch. Okay? 3 times. Okay? 3 times. Again, inhale. Exhale. Again, proper position. Your feet has a masika. Okay? Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Come here on the side. Okay. Here and here. So, not here. Okay, and here as well.
Robert.
Here. Okay, natin here. One. Okay, right in. Ready? Okay, wait. Okay, do it. Lipas. 5, 4, 3, 2, right in. Slowly. Okay, again. Right in. Left out, lift in. Right out. Left out. Right in. Left. Right out. Okay, again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Good side. Good job. That's it. Good job. Okay, you can do it faster. Push forward. Center. That's it. Center. That's it. Center. Okay. So, again. If you are serving, do not step on the line, outside the line. Okay? Right service. Now, what's this? This is a short service line. Short service line. Short service line. Okay? What's the purpose of short service line? If you are the one serving, make sure that the shuttlecock will divide the cord into two. Okay. This one here, we have four hands. Okay. This is your strength. 400. 400. Four hands. Okay. Please whatever. And then back answer. Okay. Now we will start with the serving. Okay. Like sir. Sorry. Focus on your one. We will never teach your perfect. Okay, here. Meron.
Arp nating lahat.
Second load, we have the jump, forward, jump, and then I will throw here. One, net shot only, net shot. Earlier, clear. That's it. Cut. Smash. That's it. Cut. Net shot. Good job. That's it. Jump. Touch. Net shot. Net shot. No, net shot. Make sure that the shot is not here. Okay? No, here. Okay? Net shot here. The next, stop. Net shot. No, net shot. Net shot here. Hey, over here. Okay, touch. Yeah, touch. Net shot. Net shot. Oh, net shot. Net shot here. Don't touch. Lock here. Clear. Touch. Smash. That's it. Touch. Net shot. Okay. Touch. Lock here. Upward. Touch. Smash. Okay. Touch. Net shot. Okay. Next. Touch. Smash. Go faster. Be your footwork. No. Touch. Next shot. That's it. Touch. Lock clear. Touch. Smash. Okay. Touch. Next shot. That's
Nice one.
it. Touch. Lock clear. Come back. That's it. Okay. Touch. Okay. Back. Smash. Okay. Smash. Okay. Next. Do not hold this on the racket here. Okay? We need to correct your gripping, huh? Okay, again, touch. Okay, next shot. Okay, touch. Okay, faster, love shot, faster. Love shot, love shot. Smash. Touch. Net. Okay, touch. Oh, Charlie. Okay, touch. Okay, short. Net touch. Net. Okay, touch. Okay. Love. Love. That's it. Touch. Okay, smash. Okay, okay. Touch again. Net shot. Okay, again. Net shot. Okay, touch. Love. Clear. Touch. And then smash. Okay, reset. Okay. Again. Okay, touch. Clear. That's it. Touch. Touch. Ano na? Smash. Faster. Touch. Next shot. Next shot. Okay, touch. Clear. Clear. Touch. Smash. Forward. Okay. Again, touch. Smash, 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 smash. Smash. Next.